revive something that, has been alive, but just modest. But it's gone around the world, and I'm a product of that revival. Eventually, I got to Soviet Union. In 1999, I went to my first klezmer festival in St. Petersburg, and I got in touch with my roots, and since then I've been learning, exploring, and then teaching and composing this music. I love sharing it, and I love sharing the positive, the bright, the nicer, kind of more forward-looking sides of it. I like to introduce songs about love. Of course, there are lots of songs about loss in the 20th century, but everyone knows them anyway. So there are socialist songs about a better future, about unity, about unions, the Bund, and there are songs about love. There are religious songs as well. So we just have a tiny selection of these in this course. So let's sing a love song.